Blessings everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all what it's like down here in downtown Orlando for the holiday season. So they have some lights going on, Christmas lights in Lake Eola. The actual light show, I think it already ended last week, but they still have the holiday decorations and all that stuff. So it looks pretty cool, especially at nighttime by the lake. So I'm going to be showing you all this little light tour. So I hope you all enjoy it, and definitely comment below and let me know if you guys have come here before, and or if you have another place that you guys like that is similar in another state. That'll be really cool to know as well. So definitely stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so we are here downtown Orlando, and we are about to start this little holiday stroll. So it's really nicely decorated. And the good thing is too, if you go online, you can actually pull up the app to be able to see like which path to go. So it has like a little map. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoy this. This is so beautiful.
I can't believe my camera takes such good pictures now.
Yeah, it's definitely a nice place to take some pictures. Yeah, some people are trying to get their holiday cards in. But yeah, so basically the first plan was to go to the dazzling lights, but unfortunately for whatever reason they canceled it. So we are at the closest next big thing. So and the ducks are out here as well. Oh my gosh, look at that.
¿Viste qué pasa?
Alright guys, so this is Santa's big red hat. And I kind of like the creativity though. I've actually never been down here during this holiday season like this. So I don't know if it's like this all the time every year or if they added a few things to it, but yeah, it looks very nice. It's very artsy too. So, you know, it's not just like stale, because you know sometimes you go to those little light places and it's just a tree and the lights are wrapped around the tree like this, and the whole thing, and you just drive through it and it's 5 minutes long. So yeah, so far being able to walk most of this stretch, yeah, it's really nice. They did a really good job decorating it, and it's a nice little vibe. One thing I am happy about is that they don't have tons of speakers on the ground playing Christmas music the whole time. Because some places that I've been to that have this type of like Christmas lights, that's one thing. It just, I don't know, it's just annoying because every store that you go into, it's Christmas music, and then, you know, to have the whole like half a mile walk to have that replaying. So I'm really happy that they don't have that. But yeah, so far, yeah, it's really nice ambiance. The weather is decent. It was raining a little bit earlier, but you know, it's not super cold, so you're actually able to kind of enjoy it. And yeah, it's a really peaceful, relaxing vibe, even if you're someone that doesn't necessarily celebrate Christmas or stuff like that. It's just really nice to be able to take a nice walk out and really enjoy the ambiance. So yeah, so far I'm liking it. I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. And as you can see, there's a lot of people out with their families, taking pictures, getting their last minute holiday card photos in. But yeah, it's a nice mixture of detail, creativity, and simplicity. So yeah, it's really nice. And the best part about the whole thing is it's free. The only thing that you pretty much have to pay for is the parking. So basically there's parking that is like in the garage or on the side of the road, and then they also have actual parking lots. So we found a lot that was pretty close, and it was basically $10, and that was it. That's all we had to pay for. And we have Orlando's famous swans. It doesn't even look real. Look at that. He's probably like, what is she doing? All right guys, so we are at the end of the video. So I walked around the whole lake and it was just decorated throughout the whole part. There were some parts that I did not show just because it was a little repetitive or a little bit sparsy, especially on the other side of the lake. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you all were able to experience it through the screen. Definitely remember to click the like button and subscribe and let me know if you've been here before or if this video makes you want to come and check it out. So yeah, as always, stay blessed and I'm gonna head home. All right, blessings everyone.